In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Etsy store with your Wix website, enhancing your online presence and streamlining your business operations. This process will enable you to efficiently manage your products and sales across both platforms, thereby maximizing your reach and improving your organizational workflow. Let's get started by navigating to the Wix app market. Begin by accessing your Wix dashboard. You'll notice an array of features. But for now, focus your attention on the Apps section. This is where you'll find the tools needed to enhance your site. Once you click on App Market, it's like opening the door to a vast library of applications. These apps are designed to add functionality to your website. And today, we're focusing on an integration app. Next, it's time to locate the app that will bridge the gap between Etsy and Wix. In the search bar, type Etsy integration or an equivalent app like LitCommerce. As you type, the search results will populate beneath, offering various options. Click on the one that best suits your needs to reveal its details. Here, you'll find descriptions, user reviews, and sometimes even a preview of how it will look and function on your site. This step is crucial as it provides insights into what the app can do for you. Once you've decided, go ahead and install the app. Look for the Add to Site or Install button to begin the installation process. At this stage, be mindful that some apps might require you to upgrade to a premium Wix plan. This is something to consider if you're serious about scaling your business, as these upgrades often unlock additional features that can significantly aid in your site's functionality. After installation, the next step is connecting your Etsy account. The app will guide you through this process with on-screen prompts. Typically, this involves signing into your Etsy account and granting the app permission to access your store data. This step is about bridging the two platforms, allowing them to communicate with each other effectively. Now, it's time to configure your settings. Within the app settings in your Wix dashboard, you'll have options to set your integration preferences. Pay close attention here. Selecting the right settings, such as inventory tracking and product syncing, can greatly affect how you manage your business. These settings will dictate how your products are displayed and updated across both platforms. The final step is syncing your products. The integration app will automatically begin the process of importing your products from Etsy to your Wix store catalog. This feature is designed to make management seamless. You can now oversee all your products directly from your Wix dashboard. And that's it. With your Etsy store effortlessly integrated into your Wix website, you're ready to engage your customers, monitor your inventory, and manage sales with greater ease and efficiency. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful.